We got snakes right in this tree over here. And I'm about to go and unhook my thing that got tangled to go right next to him. Alright, we are here, guys, at Clear Creek Metro Park. We're gonna come here, just gonna hang out, swim a little bit since all the pools are closed because of you guys know what. Yep, we're gonna fish here a little bit. Obviously, we got the poles here already. We're gonna swim in, just kind of hang out. Nature day.
Boy. You guys see this legit freaking bait and crap?
Fishing day. It's a nature fishing day. Come on now, can't beat this. There's a little snake, water snake in the water.
I'll hook it. Throw a rock at it.
Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. He's like right up here. He's still like swift in the water. Look at him. Look at the snake. He's so swift. Yeah. Professional rock skipper here. Oh. Let's try this again. That was a little better. Still not very good. Oh, here's Liam. Okay. This is a good rock. It's kind of flat on this side. Nice little grip. We got it. Ready? Watch this. Oh man, I do suck. Oh, you kind of suck too, man. A whole bunch of tiny like fish, minnows, tadpoles. Don't really know. So you got bites in the pool?
Yeah.
Fishing just out here in the creek. Well, not more of a stream. I don't know. Trying to look for some water. I don't know, creatures over here. Yeah, it's just, the water's pretty nice, I guess. Don't hook me, though.
Oh, shoot, I'm getting that stuff.
Keep it there, man. It's a good spot for fish. They're probably hanging right around that.
Yeah, I don't like
Those sticks. The water's super clear as well. You can see right through it. So if there's a fish in here, probably be able to see it. Come on. In the water right now with the water snake. What? Dog. He's actually kind of cool. He's swift. Just look at him swim, man. You already know we out here. That was okay. See, that's a good spot for fish. They're just gonna hang out right there. You know. Just casting over here. Oh my, dude, you saw that? Oh my gosh, that was huge. Yo, that was huge. Yo, what? Y'all saw that, right?
Yeah, I saw it. Big old 40-pounder in the water.
Probably. It's like a little water bug. Looks like a spider. Like, not like an actual, like, water skipper. I mean, it's probably just a water skipper. But dang, man. If you want to catch a fish, you got to be with the fish, boys. We're out here with the fish. That's how you catch them, man. It's my secret. There's little tracks over here. Looks like raccoon tracks right there. And then right here, we got something. Bobcat, maybe? I don't know what that is. It could be just a dog, because a lot of people bring their dogs in here, but I don't know. It doesn't look like a dog to me. Maybe it is. I don't know. We're on this rock right now. I'm seeing the rock. Fishing over here. I'm gonna drop my phone, so I ain't record too much. We got snakes right in this tree over here. And I'm about to go and unhook my thing that got tangled to go right next to him. Got a lake down this trail. Lake Ramona. You're going down this trail.
Lake
Go fish at the Lake Corona. Corona, I don't know. Looks pretty scenic. So we're stopping here to fish at this little lake right here. It's a nice little lake. Yeah, you can live in. Yeah, I can hold up. There's a fish right there. Yeah, we're stopping here. It's kind of nice. Got a little boardwalk.
I almost just hooked it.
Scenery, nature. After all, it is nature day. But it's a nice little spot to
I just
fish.
hooked
There's
that.
probably
I
a lot
almost
of
just hooked that in.
fish over here. These beetles are ucky. Some in the water. The heck they doing here?
Extremely disgusting.
Yeah, it's a millipede, centipede. Looks like a millipede because those things that has a lot of freaking legs. That's what we found. I found a little hidden gem over here. Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, did you see that?
Yes.
So I'm gonna lift this up.
Oh, meteors. Hey, you feeling shots? Oh yeah.
Hold on.
Suck. Oh, got him. We got 2 more big ones coming, boys.
So what do you say, Glenn?
We got 2 more big ones coming.
No, like
We're
what?
celebrating the end of quarantine right now. Oh yeah.